Imagine waking up every morning knowing your money is working harder for you than you ever could. What if I told you that the road to financial freedom doesn't require a secret formula or a lottery win? It's all about one thing: making the right investments. But which investment? And how do you choose? Today we're diving deep into the world of real estate investment properties: single-family, multifamily, and commercial properties. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you should put your money and, more importantly, why. 1. The foundation. Let's start at the beginning. If you've ever thought about diving into real estate, you know it can be overwhelming. The options, the jargon, the numbers, it's a lot. But here's the thing: real estate can be one of the most secure long-term ways to build wealth. But to make the right choice, you need to understand the game. And trust me, you don't want to play with your hard-earned cash without knowing the rules. And let's be real. No one wants to wake up one day and realize they've invested in a property that's more of a nightmare than a dream. You don't need that kind of stress in your life. 2. The 3 investment types. All right, let's break it down. We're talking single-family, multifamily, and commercial properties. Each has its own risks, rewards, and unique opportunities. First up, single-family properties. Now, I know what you're thinking. They're too small, they don't generate enough cash flow. But here's the kicker: single-family homes are the gateway drug to real estate. They're easy to understand. And for someone just starting out, they offer a low-risk, high-reward entry into the game. They're great for people who want to slowly build their portfolio and experience the market firsthand. Plus, they give you steady rental income while you learn the ropes of property management. Imagine getting paid every month from a property that increases in value over time. Sounds sweet, right? But don't wait too long. With the market constantly changing, those perfect single-family deals don't last forever. Now, hold on. What happens when you want to level up? How do you take your game to the next level? Let's talk about multifamily properties. Enter the multifamily property, a game changer for anyone looking to scale fast. You're talking about a property with multiple units, where each one is a potential income stream. More doors, more cash flow. Here's the catch though: it requires more work. You need to manage tenants, handle maintenance, and sometimes deal with vacancies. But, and this is key, when you fill those units, you're looking at serious cash flow. Multifamily properties give you a higher return on investment compared to single-family homes. Want a secret? Some of the wealthiest investors got their start with multifamily properties, and now they own entire apartment complexes. So, what's holding you back? But we're not done yet. What if you could take it a step further and invest in something massive? Something with the power to skyrocket your returns? Let's talk commercial properties next. Commercial properties. Commercial properties. This is where the big players come to play. Think office buildings, retail spaces, industrial properties. The best part? The potential for massive returns. But don't get too excited just yet. Commercial real estate is a whole different ballgame. The stakes are higher, the investments are bigger, and the risks. Oh, the risks. They're greater too. However, commercial properties are not just for the average investor. They require significant capital and deep market knowledge. But if you can navigate this world successfully, the rewards are sky high. Think of this as your chance to play in the big leagues. But, and this is crucial, don't just dive in without the proper knowledge and preparation. You could be setting yourself up for a disastrous loss. Now you're probably asking yourself, which one should I invest in? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore next. 3. The decision. Here's the truth. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to real estate. The property that's right for you depends on your goals, your risk tolerance, and your financial situation. Are you someone who's just starting out, looking for a stable income and slow growth? Single family could be your ticket. Want to scale faster, building cash flow from multiple units? Then go with a multifamily. Or maybe you're ready to go all in and venture into commercial real estate where the potential for wealth is limitless. But not so fast. What if I told you that most successful investors combine these strategies? They start with a single-family home, build up to multifamily properties, and then, bam, they dive into commercial properties. It's all about playing the long game. But here's the thing, you need to act now. The longer you wait, the more opportunities slip through your fingers. Trust me, you don't want to be the one who looks back a year from now wishing they had gotten started today. So there you have it. The world of real estate is vast, but it's also one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Whether you're just starting with a single-family home or dreaming of owning skyscrapers, the choice is yours. But you need to act now, make smart decisions, and start building your future today. And hey, if this all seems overwhelming, don't worry. Just remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your empire. But it has to start somewhere. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and leave a comment with your thoughts. What type of property are you eyeing? Until next time, take control of your future and start building that wealth. You've got this.